Numa Nitric Oxide was the first company to deliver a nitric oxide-based topical skincare and beauty product. And that started a trend. In fact, it started an entire new category in skincare. Nitric oxide gets to the root cause of aging skin. It's loss of regulation of blood flow. It's loss of mobilization of stem cells. You lose collagen, you lose hydration, the skin starts to sag, fine lines and wrinkles appear. Nitric oxide addresses all those. If we can restore nitric oxide production, we can improve collagen deposition, improve blood flow, mobilize stem cells, repair and replace dysfunctional cells, and really gets to the root cause of aging skin. So I think the trends are going to continue to move in that direction. People are tired of applying Band-Aids to age-old problems. It's time we get to the root cause of most chronic disease. It's time to get the root cause of aging skin. That revolves around the production of nitric oxide. We're constantly bombarded with toxins in the environment, from the foods we eat, sometimes in the work environment. So we have to constantly detox. Detoxification occurs mainly through breathing, through sweating, through urination, defecation. So if we're not practicing deep breathing, if we're not sweating, if we don't have good bowel movements, and we're not staying hydrated to frequently urinate, then these toxins build up. So in order for that, we have to mobilize these toxins. We have to open up blood vessels. So we need to get the good stuff in, we take the bad stuff out. So all that is dependent upon the production of nitric oxide to dilate the blood vessels. When we exercise, we sweat. It forces us to breathe. These are all detoxification mechanisms. And again, a good diet, good healthy bowel movements, good hydration to improve urine output. All of these are detoxification methods. And if you're deficient in one of these, the toxins are going to build up. So again, nitric oxide is crucial for this, but it can't make up for a lack of exercise. It can't make up if you don't sweat, if you don't have good bowel movements, or if you're not urinating frequency. So start with nitric oxide, drink plenty of good, clean, filtered water, take some extra fiber to improve bowel movements. You have to practice deep breathing exercise to help detox, fully oxygenate tissues, and then sweating. Nobody sweats anymore, and sweating is the main root of detox. Everything, as a biochemist, we count electrons, and so everything is about reduction, oxidation potential, and the transfer of electrons. So oxidation is a loss of electrons. Reduction is a gain of electrons. So antioxidants provide electrons. We need electrons to make nitric oxide because it's a 5-electron oxidation of arginine to nitric oxide. So what does that mean? We need 5 electrons from antioxidants. So when we combine our nitric oxide product technology, we balance electrons. We know what it needs to make nitric oxide, and we have to have a reservoir, a sink of electrons to allow this chemistry to occur. So number one, we don't increase oxidative stress. We want to provide an antioxidant effect. And so that requires a certain balance of antioxidants with certain redox potentials that can promote and support normal nitric oxide production. And we know how to do that.